Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about Cash App Bitcoin tutorial 2025. Let's get started. First, open your Cash App and tap the Bitcoin tab on your home screen. If you don't see it, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Before you can buy Bitcoin, you'll need to verify your identity due to financial regulations. This usually means submitting your full name, date of birth, and last four digits of your social security number. Once verified, you will unlock higher transaction limits. You can also wait a minute. To buy Bitcoin, tap Buy in the Bitcoin section. Enter the amount you want to invest. You can buy as little as a few dollars worth of Bitcoin. Review the current price and fees, then confirm your purchase. Your Bitcoin will be added to your Cash App wallet instantly. You can also sell Bitcoin in the same way. Tap Sell, choose the amount, and confirm. Cash App will convert your Bitcoin back to USD and add it to your Cash App balance. One great feature in 2025 is the ability to withdraw Bitcoin to an external wallet. This means you can transfer your crypto from Cash App to a hardware wallet or another crypto exchange for extra security. To do this, go to your Bitcoin balance, tap Withdraw Bitcoin, enter the external wallet, and confirm the transaction. And that was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel, and go after ringing the bell if you want to get notified whenever we upload another tech tutorial video here. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.